Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Okay, right, you've kind of spoiled the surprise now, little love. I have a surprise. Can you guess what it is? Okay, so in a recent video where I was cutting my hair really badly, and yes, I should have put the scissors down much sooner, but during the course of filming that video, I mentioned that Honeys had gone out and it was likely that he may return back with a cat. Well, he did, and that cat is now here. I don't want to grab him and kind of scare him, so I'm just gonna let him do him for a sec because he's just on the windowsill. I think it's really important that I just start off the video with saying hello, hi, come here. Don't want to be grabbing him too much, but look, here he is. His name is Elon Musk. Musk for short. Just look at that little face. Oh my gosh. I love his little skeleton face. And I say skeleton face because look at his little black nose. Oh guys, this cat is just so precious. You're so precious. And he's got like grandpa ears because he has like white hair coming out of his ears. I don't want to be all grabby, and I want him to be free to walk around. He's not really spent much time upstairs because we've been keeping him downstairs, so like the last thing I want to do is to be kind of holding him hostage. Oh, he's jumped off the table. Are you okay, Elon Musk? Okay, Elon Musk is just going for a wander. Yeah, I just want to make a point that I think is a very important point to make. I don't want anyone to feel like, oh my gosh, so dude passed away and they've just kind of replaced him, because that is not, well, it is kind of the case, but it's not. Honeys was absolutely devastated when dude passed away, as we all were, but it really kind of hit Honeys hard because dude was his cat. It was like dude was his mate. Dude was his bud. Oh shit. Excuse me, Luna. Okay, so the Sphinx cats still haven't quite become best buddies yet with Elon Musk. We are introducing them very slowly. Do you know what, Elon? I think I'm going to put Elon. No, you go on the table there. Okay, you go there. I just want to keep him in. Okay, I just want to keep him in sight. Because we have been keeping him downstairs. We have been slowly kind of introducing Elon Musk to the Sphinx cats. The Sphinx cats are a bit perturbed, honestly, which is natural. Salem, I feel, is actually a little bit scared of Elon Musk, whereas Luna is a little bit hissy. She does not have a friendly vibe whatsoever. Luna is kind of like, who the F are you, you hairy mofo? And what are you doing in my house? So we're going through a bit of the hissy stage, but oh, Elon. Oh, Elon's going out again. I'm going to just take Elon downstairs and put him in the living room where he's going to be safe. So just give me 1 sec, I'll be back. Okay, so here is Mrs. Luna Boona. So Luna Boona, you're not sure, are you, about Elon Musk? Girl, you're just not sure yet, but he's going to be your buddy. He's going to be your friend. Yeah, you've got to be welcoming. But I understand it's tough. And at the end of the day, I would be pissed off if I came home and there was just some random person sat on my sofa eating my food, pooping in my toilet. I mean, we'd all be a bit perturbed, wouldn't we? So it is natural, but we are unexpected. God, I'm so out of breath from just going downstairs and back up again. Can you believe it? How unfit am I? Because I don't have time to work out because I'm too busy looking after all these cats. I love you, girl. I do. You're my fave. She's my fave. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. You're my fave. Boona. Luna. She's my Boona. My Luna Boona. Boona. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to let you know that we do have a new cat. Although it may seem like it was a bit of a knee-jerk reaction, and I fully, I get it. Like, I understand. I honestly thought it was a knee-jerk reaction too. This was what Honey's wanted because he was missing Dude so much. I mean, from my perspective, like, in all honesty, I didn't really want any more animal. Go on. Okay, she's going down. Actually, that's the longest she's ever let me hold her. So that was really a special moment for us, wasn't it, Luna? It was a special moment for us. Can we have kisses? Should I teach her kisses? No. Okay, she's not doing kisses. Okay. Yeah, so if it were up to me, I wouldn't have got any more animals because, I mean, I love the animals that I've got, the Sphinx cats. I adore them, but I don't really have this kind of need or want for any more because, you know, I've got my two boys who, you know, everywhere they go, they're creating a mess. Anyone that has kids knows that they're a big responsibility. You know, there's a lot, like, they're my number one priorities. And then when you add like animals into the mix, it's just like the animals give you so much, but at the same time, you know, you in order to properly care for them, you have to put a lot of time and effort into it, and also make sure you're giving the animals a lot of attention too. So for me, I was just kind of thinking, right, no more animals. Really happy with the Sphinx cats, but I don't really want to take on any more kind of responsibilities. But from Honey's perspective, he just had a deep, aching kind of hole in his heart for Dude, and my heart was aching seeing that. A week or so after Dude had passed away, he said that he really wanted to get another cat. So I was like, okay, because I think at the end of the day, like, when you're in a partnership, you have to kind of let that other person live and be them. Like, you've got to let them do them. There's been many times in the past where I've wanted to do something, and I know that Honey probably has not been on board with it, but he knew that I really wanted to do that thing and it was really important to me. So he supported me, you know, without question. So I feel like in this instance, I felt that really it was my kind of duty as his supporting partner to say, look, you know, if you really do want to get another cat, then I am happy with that and I support that, because who am I to hold him back? Who am I to say, no, we cannot have another cat? Like, definitely not. I don't want to be that person. And I do think that it would be kind of different if it was like maybe a more labor intensive animal. Like, say if it was a dog, if he said, I really want to get like a Labrador, a Rottweiler or whatever, I would have said, look, Honeys, I don't really think I would like to take on that responsibility. But with a cat, the Sphinx cats are not low maintenance. Like, they're very high maintenance because they do live indoors 100% of the time, and they have very like specific ways. They're very neurotic. They are very kind of clean animals. They won't go in the litter tray if it's like just a little bit dirty. They're very picky about what kind of food they will eat. They don't really like being like picked up, but they love jumping on your back when you least expect it. They're very like high maintenance kind of cats. So like if Honey's had been saying, oh, I want a dog or another animal that was going to be a bit more labour intensive. By the way, I've not had a dog in absolutely ages, so I'm saying this from a place of not really being that experienced in dogs, but so I don't really know. So feel free to tell me if you feel that dogs are not as labour intensive as cats. And also I'm familiar with cats, but I'm not really familiar with dogs. So yeah, I wouldn't really want to be like jumping into that kind of world right now. But yeah, I just thought to myself, do you know what? Honey's is sad and he's found a solution in his mind. And who am I to block him? I didn't want to cat block him, you know, like cock blocking. I don't want to cat block like I did. I don't think that would have been fair. And also at the back of my mind, I was kind of thinking to myself, he probably will change his mind. Like maybe he just, you know, like this is a reaction to Dude's passing, and because he really misses him, it's making him feel better just to like think about having a cat again. Or because I know you may be thinking, okay, well yeah, you have the Sphinx cat, so like what is Honey's like really missing? But at bedtime, the Sphinx cats, they go up and they sleep with the boys in bed. And Honey's is a night owl. So the boys go to bed at 8 and I go to bed. Well, I come and do editing and then I'm in bed for like 9:30, 10. I know. Party animal over here. She's so wild. But I'm in bed, the boys are in bed, the Sphinx cats are in bed, and Honey stays up till about like 1 in the morning, maybe later on the weekends, because he's a night owl. And that would be like his time with him and Dude. And they would hang out, they would play. Dude would come and sit on his face. And he would just like, Honey just really like, he loved that time with Dude. And I can really see that now, that kind of portion of time after me and the boys are in bed and Honey's downstairs by himself, I can really kind of see that, yeah, that could be very lonely for him. So I just thought, who am I to say anything? And honestly, like Dude being a kind of crossbreed cat, he was just like no trouble whatsoever, like literally no trouble whatsoever at all. So I just thought, you know what, if that's what Honey's wants, I will support him. I'm happy to do that. And I just thought, well, Honey's will take responsibility anyway for the new cat, i.e. he'll kind of pay any vet's bills, etc. I mean, really, like, because I work from home most of the time, I am the one cleaning out most of the poops and feeding Elon and keeping Elon company during the day. So I do end up doing a lot, but I just think that, you know, you do have to support your partner. If it's something that's going to massively affect you, then definitely say your piece, put a case forward and be honest, like 100%. But if it's something that you just think, you know what, like I'm not bothered really either way, but who doesn't love a kitten? Who doesn't love a kitten? So anyway, so we've got Elon Musk. He is just like a crossbreed cat. So anyway, we do have Elon Musk now in our life. I just really wanted to, like, as always, fill you in, keep you up to date with the goings on in my life. I would just say, please. I know that there's going to be people who probably have an opinion on this and are probably saying, like, oh my gosh, how can you just kind of like, one cat passes away and then you just get another cat? Like, I don't want anyone to feel like, oh, what? Because, and I can understand, like, if people do have that thought in their head thinking, oh, what? So soon? Like, so soon? And I get that, but this was what Honey's wanted. It was what Honey's wanted. And I have to say, like, it has filled his heart with love again. Doesn't mean that he doesn't miss Dude or doesn't wish that Dude was still here or that he wouldn't, like, have Dude back in an instant if he possibly could. But I just feel like for Honey's, you know, he's a cat guy. He loves to have that company in the evening. And I don't feel like I should justify it any further because I'm happy with it. Honey is happy with it. The boys are happy with it. Also, like, Elon Musk is such a delight. He is like the friendliest, softest, loving little cat ever. He's just so inquisitive. He loves to play, as all kind of kittens do, but also he's very like confident with the boys. He's a very responsive cat. Like, he loves strokes and he purrs really loudly. And also, like, when I saw him for the first time, he really reminded me of Skeleton Man. Is it Skeleton Man? You know, the guy that had, like, he was so heavily tattooed. He had tattoos all over his face and he had like a brain tattooed on his skull. I actually think that he very sadly passed away, which is like really sad. When I first saw Elon Musk, he really reminded me of the Skeleton Man. So I'm going to end the video here. I'll pop a picture up now so you can tell me, like, do you think they look alike? What do you think? I mean, there's differences, but it's the nose really that I thought. I think Elon Musk is like eternally prepared for Halloween. But anyway, guys, I am going to go because I'm freezing and I've got to go and do stuff. There's a guy just driving up and down the road. He's driven up, he's reversed quite aggressively back down. Now he's gone back again. I hope he's not delivering something to me because he looks really pissed off, honestly. I don't want a delivery from a pissed off. Why are all delivery drivers like, not all of them, but a lot of them are just like really angry. And it's kind of like, you open the door like, oh, hey. And they're like, parcel, let me get a picture. And then have you done the awkward thing? At first when they started wanting to take a picture of the parcel, did you do that awkward thing where you'd pick up the parcel and go, oh my gosh, I've done that. Yeah, I have. Because when someone says, can I take a picture? I say yes. I do. Anyway, guys, right, I'm going to go now. But thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I just wanted to keep you updated. Thank you. Why can I never end a video? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm going to go. Bye.